In the early days of the internet, people could only access and read information from simple websites. This was the first version of the internet known as Web 1. Then we entered Web 2. The internet we mostly use today, interactive, social and driven by big companies like Google, Facebook and Amazon. But now we are removing into something new, something bigger. Welcome to Web 3, the next generation of the internet. So what exactly is Web 3 and how does it relate to something we hear about all the time, the Internet of Things or IoT? Let's break it down in simple terms. Web 3 is the evolution of the internet that shifts control from big tech companies to the users. It is built on blockchain technology, a decentralized way of storing data. Think of it as a secure data ledger that is spread across many computers, so on the person or company can fully control it. In Web 2, companies store your data on their servers. Your social media post, your emails and even the data from your smart devices. With Web 3 that changes. You own your data and it's stored across multiple systems, making it harder to hack or manipulate. Now let's bring in the Internet of Things or IoT. IoT refers to all the smart devices connected to the internet. Your smartphone, smart fridge, smart thermostat, even your fitness tracker or your cars. These devices collect data and communication with each other, creating an interconnected web of smart technology that makes our lives easier. But here's the catch. Right now, much of the data from IoT devices is stored and controlled by big companies, which raises privacy concern and risk of data breaches. This is where Web 3 come in. Web 3 and blockchain can make the IoT more secure and decentralized. Instead of having one company managing all of your IoT data, Web 3 allows that data to be shared across a secure, decentralized network. This means more privacy, more control for you, and less risk of your data falling into the wrong hands. And it gets even better with something called smart contracts. These are self-executing contracts where the rules are written into code. For example, imagine you have a smart car that needs to charge. With a smart contract, your car could automatically find a charging station, plug in, and pay using cryptocurrency, all without you lifting a finger. This level of automation powered by Web 3 could make the Internet of Things more efficient than ever before. Devices could talk to each other, make decisions, and carry out tasks, all while keeping your data secure and private. But why does decentralization matter? In Web 2, most of our data is controlled by a handful of large companies. They decide how that data is used, who can access it, and how it's shared. With Web 3, that changes. The power goes back to you, the user. You decide who gets to see your data, where it goes, and how it's used. And because Web 3 run on blockchain, every action is transparent and secure. No single company or entity can manipulate the system. So let's think about the future for a moment. In a Web 3 world, the Internet of Things will be more connected but safer. Devices could communicate directly without needing big companies to manage them. And because Web 3 is built on blockchain, every transaction, every data change is logged securely and can't be tampered with. This builds a trustless system where you don't need to rely on middlemen like companies or governments to keep things running smoothly. So to sum it up, Web 3 is the next step in the evolution of the internet, moving from centralized control to decentralized network powered by blockchain. IoT connects all of your smart devices, and with Web 3, it's becoming more secure, private and efficient. So what do you think about Web 3 and the Internet of Things? Do you think decentralization is the future of the internet? Let us know in the comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more easy to understand videos on tech, science and the future of the digital world. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.